Okay,
What just
that's me dead. That's me dead. Oh, fucking hell.
Some extremely bad.
Oh, I'm dead. I got one of them. No man, you got this.
I don't know how you didn't expect that.
Well, they're not gonna be respawning anymore.
There's one of them
Yeah.
in their base.
He's got iron armor and an iron sword.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take. I've brought one leather armor and a wooden sword. Okay, I'm just gonna.
You just run away.
Yeah, just leave. Go onto the tree. Oh,
Shit.
Oh,
I just
oh,
got
he
that.
disconnected. He disconnected. There's emeralds in the gen.
Let's just not talk about the usernames that we have.
one emerald. Thank you. You're very cool.
There is Elliot's ghost. Okay,
Elliot, come to green base.
Elliot is dead. He's at green base.
Okay, I'm the only one alive. Guess I have to clutch.
Yeah, you just have to 3v1 yellow.
I think Blue's gonna 3v1 yellow for you, to be honest.
And then you just have to 1v1 blue.
Not choosing.
One yellow is coming over. He's got leather
Iron
armor.
And then but an iron sword.
Yeah, you can take him. That was great for him. Oh, this is risky.
Oh, you're dead.
Okay, well,
Congratulations, you're good.
Really good level.
Reasonable level,
But
yeah.
with my iron sword, nothing.
OBS gotta recorded it properly this time.
Yeah,